The waves paused. My body no longer needed to swim. And the candleman appeared, floating on some kind of broken door.
Go through your encounter diligently. He holds the answers we need. Make no mistake, he is your tormentor.
I'm not sure that's true. This time, I was able to speak in his presence. Why do you bring me here? What do you want? He replied, cross the sill, sink in a twinkling, cast aside the old sleep, to sleep again, anew. I yelled back, why? Why should I? Before I finished, he said, blight, not within, but without. Here, all banes be set free.
More riddles. He doesn't think I can solve them, but I will.
I already did. I think he means by giving myself to his world, I won't be ill any longer. That's why, when I'm there, no more headaches, no more parasites, no more tests.
That's not true. It's not.
I would almost prefer him to take me.
Don't say that.
Away from here. From you.
It's what he wants.
Maybe.
He wants you.
Maybe your Cece felt that way too. Relieved.
It was only a